Got this 2002 Toyota Prius, and this is the second time, well, we've got a lot of Priuses. This is the second time I've had this happen. You'll be driving along and you hear this thumping, rattling, clang, and banging noise. It sounds like somebody's hitting the bottom of your car with a hammer. Well, what happens is the harmonic balancer on the CV axle gets separated and starts going, making that noise right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and grind through the metal and get rid of it, because it's not doing me any good banging around. Oh, look, you can see where it's been banging. It's been whacking clear out here. Because I have it jacked up, the CV axle will normally ride higher up, so this is literally banging right there on that when it's spinning around, catching it and flipping it and smacking it. So again, this is a Gen 1 Prius, but this is the second one. This one has 348,000 miles on it. The other one happened at about 280,000. Don't know why, but this is a harmonic balancer for the shaft to keep it from vibrating, but it's not going to hurt taking it off. You can see the boot's not leaking on either side. So I did it on another one and it didn't affect the way it performed. It didn't vibrate or anything. Obviously you don't want to hit your crankshaft position sensor or your oil pan. You just want to grind a hole right across it in two places, otherwise you can't bend it and take it off. So I put a pair of vice grips on it to hold it in place while I grind my groove in it. And I opted to bring it away from that crankshaft position sensor. So I am all the way through now. And you obviously don't want to nick the CV axle. Now I got to turn this around and put this side up, reclamp it so that I can get the other side. So I got almost all the way through it and my battery died. But the nice thing about metal, you bend it enough times and it'll break. There we go. Oh, I still got the rubber piece on it. Anyway, that was supposed to connect to there, and that dampens the vibrations. Take my clamp off and we will be ready to drive bang free. I was whacking it pretty hard. Hope that helps you. Bye.